Other new arrival is the 1958 Packard Hawk Sport Hardtop, snow white and wild gold metallic. Wild gold. Jesus, I need to quit. White gold metallic.
That's some more Coke.
Over
Cola.
10, yeah. One of less than 600 built. And these had the supercharged 289 cubic inch V8. That was a lot of fun car to drive. Still is a lot of fun.
Now, is that the smaller one that became the Studebaker Hawk, or is this a big Packard?
This one was the Studebaker Hawk that became the Packard Hawk. So it was the reverse of it. Studebaker was first, and then it morphed into when Packard bought Studebaker, and then the Hawk became the Packard Hawk.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so there you go. Power brakes and steering, flight-o-matic transmission, and a very interesting looking car. It gets a lot of eyeball on it because a lot of people have never seen one. Again, only 600 of these built. So
it's pretty rare, and it has that different front end than the Golden Hawk.
It's more of a catfish.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like a catfish.